Fix your lower back pain, serious issue. A lot of us deal with it, myself included. Why? Because we sit down too much. What happens when we sit down is right here, our lumbar spine gets tighter. So we have our upper back where the shoulder blades connect, our lumbar spine, and here is our hips. So what attaches to our lumbar spine is our hip flexor muscles, specifically psoas. So psoas is going to connect here. And then we have our quad muscles also attaching to the hip. We'll call that our kneecap, and that's our quad. And that's rectus femoris, just one of the quad muscles. So when these get tight, this is our pelvis here. They pull down on this pelvis. So if I was to draw that guy, again, this is being pulled down. What happens when that gets pulled down is this creates a bigger arch here, which in turn affects the rest of the body and will create a bigger arch here. That's not good, that's bad posture. So we want to correct the psoas muscles and our quad muscles from being so tight. So stretching them out is the answer. You really, strengthening your core is great for helping back pain, but if you don't fix the tight facilitated muscles of the hip flexors and quads, nothing will happen. Here's 2 good stretches to do. Follow me. Face down on a bench. You're gonna have a band here. And then pulling up the leg here. This is a quad stretch. Hang out for a couple minutes. Core nice and tight, make sure you're not arching your back. It's pretty hard to arch your back in this one, that's why I like this one. A lot of the other stretches, if there's a little bit of arching, it's not helping the issue. So core tight, your heel should be touching your butt. And breathing out. So breathe in, every time you breathe out, try to pull this a little bit closer. The more you can pull this up, the more of a stretch you're getting in your quad as well. So it's a hamstring and a quad stretch, mostly quad, that's what we're trying to stretch out. Great idea to do that before and after boot camp sessions. If you have any lower back pain, come in 10 minutes early. I know a lot of you guys are coming in 10 minutes early. Do that stretch. It's going to help a lot. It's helped me a lot myself. Another one, we call this one the couch stretch. Why? Because you can do it at home on the couch. So I'm going to put my foot on an elevated surface, aka the seat of your couch. For this instance, we'll use a wall. I start off in a bent over position like this, core nice and tight, and when I'm comfortable, I go up. Deep breath, because that's a big stretch. Core tight, butt tight. A lot of times I like to put my hands on my abdominals to cue working them so that I'm not arching my back, and I'm just breathing, getting used to the stretch. Great stretch here. This one's stretching out your hip flexor. Try it. You're missing out. You're leaving a lot on the table if you're not doing these stretches, guys. All right, see you at the gym.